So here's just a really quick video just showing you how easy our self-adhesive crystals are to use. I've picked a little selection. All of them are available in crystal or pearl alternatives. So if we just start with the Horizon crystal stickers, literally all you do is peel it off the backing, take it off and press into place where you need it on your craft project or your invitations. There. Obviously with a little more time you lay it out more carefully, but they really are that easy. For the 3mm self-adhesive crystal rolls, again the same thing. Peel it off and again just stick it down into place and you have a whole row of self-adhesive crystals. So to continue the row across, all you do is take another row, pull off a little section, and there you go. You have a full row that runs across the paper. The Adhesive pearl, a little bit prettier. Again, you're literally just peeling it off and pressing it into place. You can do the same thing again. If you want to continue the line, just peel it off and continue the row. You can just pinch off any excess and there you go. The Antoinette pearl is one of my favourites. It just looks like lace. It's just so pretty. Again, just peel off and stick into place. How pretty is that? The Coronet pearl, a little bit more fiddly, but still really easy to use and really effective. All you're doing is peeling off in one piece and sticking it into place again. And you have beautiful decorative embellishment. And finally, we have the Constellation crystal clusters. These have been really popular in wedding stationery over the last few years. So you just peel and stick. So it really is as easy as that. And you can just see the little shimmers there in the light. So why not have a go and see what you can do yourself?